at all the rocks. No offence to geologists, but rocks are the lump of coal for primary teachers. I mean, I really struggle to make this interesting, but because it's on the curriculum, we have to cover it. I've got a few ideas. First thing you need to do is go and find some rocks. Most schools have got them lying in a cupboard somewhere. 3 types of rocks. There's igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Now these lessons you could actually teach with just one of each rock. I'm sure you heard of the water cycle. Did you know there is such a thing as the rock cycle? Now you could actually talk about the journey of magma to an igneous rock, to sediments, to sedimentary rock, to metamorphic, and back to magma. Using that as a stimulus, you could get your kids to actually create a dance, an interpretive dance to show that. I'm hot magma, I'm moving all the time, but then I slowly start to cool down and become igneous rock. And I'm washed away by the rain, and I fall into lots of sediments. Hopefully you get the gist. You could get them to do it as a comic strip. You could give them a set of concept cards that they can put in actually any order at all, and then they can record themselves explaining the rock cycle. If you have some microscopes, sand down a rock, stick it with sellotape, and see what you observe. You could also investigate if rocks are porous, that means they absorb liquid. If they are permeable, that means water flows through them. Or if they are impermeable, that means that the water should just sit. Pupils can design a fair test, and by dripping water over rocks can see if they are porous, impermeable, or permeable. Again, you could create a pro forma for them, or get them to design their own investigation. Less scientific, you could get them to do some rock art, or even create some standing stones. Don't just stop there though, get them to measure them, compare them with friends, and then calculate the difference.